Hi, as you can see, this beautiful animation took so little effort to create. Like, you will call it crazy. Without killing any time, let's get started. So this is our cube. Tap to edit mode. Press 3 for face selection. Then press I twice and insert faces individually. That's it. To reduce the time, we will take help of geometry nodes. Don't worry, we will be using some simple nodes. Just follow along. So let's go to the geometry node. Selecting the cube, create a new geometry node. We need to turn those edges to pipes. To do that, first add a join geometry for multiple layers. Add a mesh to curve node. Now we need pipes along these curves. To do that, add a curve to mesh and a curve circle as profile curve. Reduce the radius to 0.02. Now we want the cube too, so join this as before. Now let's add balls to all points. Add an instance on points nodes. For instance, we will add an icosphere, subdivisions to 3, and reduce the radius. Move these up and join this as before. Now the next step is set material. Add set material nodes to all 3 layers. You have to select the materials from here. Let's create the materials. Here is a blue metallic material I created before, as you can see here. And for the balls I will select the blue emission. These materials were easy to create. Now we will create the third material here. So create a new material and name it custom. Select the material for the cube. Let's change the color. Oh, I like the color. Let's copy the hex code for later. Now come to the shader editor. Make sure custom is selected. Now add a Voronoi texture with a color ramp node. And join the color to base color. I will change the black color and paste the hex code. Look how beautiful this is. Let's increase the saturation. You can also change the scale from here. Now to get this texture, add a Musgrave texture. Let's add color to roughness, so it will reflect lights along the texture. To see better, increase the metallic value. See the purple part is more shiny. Make it darker to increase effect. Let's add another point with light purple color. And bring the white point closer. Then I adjust the pipe material light, shiny and white. Now the material part has finished. Now I animated the material like this. Let's learn. So select that custom material. Select the Musgrave texture. Go to Edit, Preferences, search Node Wrangler. Make sure this is checked. Save Preferences, and selecting Musgrave texture, press Ctrl-T. Now we will change these values for animation. Select Timeline from here. Where did it go? Here it is. Go to the first frame. Press I on it. Then go to the end frame. Change the values and press I again to keyframe. Now the texture is moving. As the same, change all the values in keyframe for better effects. Keyframe the rotation too. Now create the animation you like, and I did this. By the way, if you want these tiles following your cube, you can watch this video.